What is up, guys? Madden Mobile Genius here. Today I will be doing a 40k Pro Pack opening. And guys, I know some people do 100k, 500k, or at least 50k, but I just couldn't wait to show you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's see what we get here. Oh wow, 81 overall Yannick. I don't even know his name, but wow, that was actually a good pull. We could do better. Wow. My first elite, 87 overall, Ben Roethlisberger. That's actually not bad. That's really not bad. Ah. Last pack. Ryan Fitzpatrick. It's okay, I guess. Now what I was gonna tell you, I'm just gonna spend this last little bit of money. But what I was gonna tell you guys was, I'm gonna start doing NBA Live videos of like my team and everything. So basically, you guys can just, like, for instance, you guys can join my leagues, or on Madden Mobile you can join our leagues. And on NBA Live, I'll basically be showing you guys my team, some gameplay, and I'm actually gonna be happy to show you guys some gameplay, because I just got Russell Westbrook for my small ball lineup. So yeah, guys, just make sure you guys are tuned in, and I am out of here, guys.